Hi, Sarah. I think this is a great idea. So your, oh, cool. So perhaps your target audience would be architects or interior designers. My only advice there would be to look in high-end magazines like Architectural Digest and, think about mimicking the lighting. It's probably the best advice I can give you, other than to really think about um, what it is these people are looking for. And I'm sure you probably know more than I do. They put specifically what they do all over the internet. Ah, I'm impressed. Good luck. I'm surprised that you're a 3D artist. I didn't remember that. I thought you were a designer because of your wonderful owl designs. Okay, Carl, I want to look at yours too. Okay, you want to redesign a logo? Okay, that is a great opportunity. Wow, those are butterflies and ghosts on a black background. I guess they weren't thinking real clearly, huh? Well, I think this is a great idea. Very strange butterfly. Um, and I'm gonna love to see your process here. I think for you, you definitely want to think about the audience here, and look at um, very successful companies. Like one company that does amazing design. I don't know if you've ever been anywhere like Hawaii, but Billabong is all over the place. They're very experimental. They do surfboards, but I think it's probably the same audience. But they give a lot of license to artists, and their branding is kind of all over the place. But uh, I think it'll kind of kick you in the right direction. So, yeah, one thing I really enjoyed when we were out there was all the creative posters they had everywhere. It was just like very expressive, and there were so many of them. They just let artists go wild there. Anyway, I'm off track. I look forward to your development.